Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving review the 2025 Piaggio Liberty is a modern scooter that blends Italian style with everyday practicality. Known for its lightweight frame, premium design, and smooth handling, it's built for riders who want comfort and elegance in the city. Engine and performance. The Liberty comes with Piaggio's fuel-efficient I-Get engine, available in 50 cubic centimeters, 125 cubic centimeters, and 150 cubic centimeters versions. It delivers smooth power, excellent fuel economy, and reduced emissions, perfect for daily commutes. Comfort and storage. Riders will enjoy a wide and comfortable seat, a spacious footrest, and ergonomic handlebars. For convenience, there's a large underseat compartment that fits a helmet, along with a handy front glove box for essentials. Safety and stability. The 2025 Liberty is equipped with a front disc brake, rear drum brake, and ABS on higher trims. Its large 16-inch front wheel and 14-inch rear wheel provide excellent grip and stability, even on uneven roads. Design and features. With elegant Italian styling, LED front lighting, chrome details, and a digital analog instrument cluster, the Liberty stands out as one of the most stylish scooters in its class. Conclusion. The 2025 Piaggio Liberty is more than just a scooter. It's a reliable partner for city life, offering the perfect mix of practicality, comfort, safety, and Italian design flair. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.